What's up, guys? We're about to do another unboxing video. The game I'm about to unbox is this game, Madden 20 for the Xbox One. So yeah, so let's get this bad boy going. Got Patrick Mahomes, got him on the front cover. Madden 20, EA, published by EA Sports. Alright, we got him on the CD disc. Hold up. Alright, yep. We got the got your Game Pass NFL, watch more football. Tears have to play the game. Alright, we got Patrick Mahomes. I don't know who the other ones are. Comment who the other players are. I'm not much of a football fan, but about to play the game though. So yeah. Alright, tells you have to play the game, controls and stuff in other games. Alright. We got him front, side, and the back. It said, feel like an NFL superstar. Got the new NFL logo, EA Sports. Yeah. Alright. Make sure to like this video, comment down below how you like my Madden unboxing video. And so yeah, see you on the next video. Peace.